Kiharo-ini kia Harare bururi wa Zimbabwe kuma muingi wa bururi ucio na president kuma gitaru kia Afrika mekinyitie kuhe gitio uria waari president wa bururi ucio kwa ihinda iraya Robert Mugabe. Kuri aikari a Zimbabwe megutura maririkanaga Mugabe ta mutongoria uria endete bururi wake na kuri andu ethi moigite ni aramatigeire cabi ya githomo.
He brought education, he liberated us, and we just said it with the death.
To honor the father of nation, actually I'm filled with sadness.
No one who will feel like what he did. He was a great person to us.
President Uhuru Kenyatta Cyril Ramaphosa wa South Africa ni Atongoria aria mekinyitie igongona-ini riri na gutuma ndumiriri cia macakaya kuri nyumba ya Mugabe hamwe na muingi wa bururi ucio makinyitwo ugeni ni president wa bururi ucio Emmerson Mnangagwa.
The age-old national question that is of our land, which had been occupied by settlers for over a century. To him, this was the grievance of all grievances of our people.
Comrade Mugabe will be remembered as a Pan-Africanist and a great icon of African liberation who selflessly dedicated his life to the emancipation of Zimbabwe and Africa.
There were others who felt that the land reform program probably was not the right way to go, and he said no.
Hindi no president wa South Africa Ramaphosa danaga kwaririria cigigaya iri koretwo ikigomera ageni na gucunga muhera kuri mabũrũri maria andu ao mahutĩtio hindi ya ngahiha icio.
I stand before you, fellow Zimbabweans, fellow Africans, to say we are working very hard to encourage all our people in South Africa to embrace people from all African countries. South Africans are not xenophobic.
Mugabe akuite ari na ukuru wa miaka 95 na athanite kwa ihinda ria makiria ma miaka 35. Agathikwo mbirira-ini cia njamba ku mucii wa Harare. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Kimani.